to win in South Georgia.
We're here at Daniel Pharris at Lights Out. You got this beautiful white Cobra behind us running radial versus whirler, correct?
Yep.
Tell us about the combo you got going on in this car.
It's a Alan Johnson 481X 570-inch, pretty common motor. I mean, today, you know, in this class, got a Fueltech EFI 500 fuel injection on it. Twin precision 102mm turbo.
102s?
Yep. Yep. M&M transmission, turbo converter.
What's your tire of choice in this radial race?
Right now, we've got the Mickey Thompson 295 Pro Drag radial on it.
How much does this thing weigh?
Weighs 3170.
3170?
Yeah.
Is 3100 the limit, or what's?
No, actually 3,000 pounds.
3,000?
Yeah, we're about 170 over pounds.
What kind of number do you think it's going to take to win this?
I think a consistent low 390 car. I think if you can run anywhere from a 90 flat to 95 consistently every round, you'll win it.
Well, I know you're one of the crowd favorites. We'll be keeping an eye out for you this weekend.
Yeah. Cool.
Good luck, Daniel.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Was that a 209 I saw?
Yeah, it's 209.
Woo-wee!
Yeah, they won't let me run it anymore for today. I got
No?
qualifying now.
Oh, shit. So I'm assuming you're pretty happy with this pass.
We're very happy. Yeah, and that's still a non-lockup converter. We still got about 5 more pounds of boost left, so.
That's amazing. Hooking up pretty good.
It changes a little bit tonight. It should go 210, 211, I'd say.
Is this your first hit this weekend?
Yep.
That's not bad.
Yep.
It's a hell of a pass, man.
Thank you. Told you to go 210.
That was badass.
Yeah. We just put a new
side by side too.
We put a new set of spark plugs in and picked up a mile an hour.
Woo. Was he right next to you the whole time?
No,
I don't know if you saw him, but
I had him pretty good on the tree. I was
Did
like
you?
020 to his 080. So I never saw him.
yeah, 393 on the first qualifier. Yep. 210.
210.
That's badass.
I think it's still got more in it. Yeah. I mean, we're gonna, you know, we get another 2 shots tomorrow night.
Your number 4 qualifier, is that right?
Yep. Yeah,
Is that your best ET mile an hour?
Yeah, that's that's our best ET to date right now. Yeah.
How much boost you at right now?
Like right at 70.
70 on twin 102s.
Yep. Yeah. So,
Well, we'll see you in round 2 tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good luck, man.
All right, appreciate it.
Check out the ignition. This isn't where the ignition's at.
Yeah, a couple things looked a little off.
Yeah.
Jerked the transmission converter out, checked all that stuff, put in our spare trans.
Are they look good?
We're trying. I mean, we're just trying to find the issue, and with the limited time that we've got to make round one of eliminations, we're throwing parts at it.
Yeah, gotta be safe.
Hoping one of them sticks.
Please tell me this thing's ready to go.
It's perfect. It is fixed.
Yes. Fuck yeah.
We had an unfortunate mishap with one of the timing components.
Yeah.
One of the little Woodruff keys on the crankshaft that actually cracked and caused some timing issues.
So you guys tore apart just about everything, trying to figure out what was going on.
Yeah, we did. It's a brand new car now. So.
Who do you have in second round?
Jason Brock, New Edge style car, NITROUS car.
Okay. What's he been running?
I think he went 405 last night. We got something for him.
Yeah. Perfect.
As long as I do my job, we'll be fine.
All right. We'll see you in second round.
Sounds good, man.
Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah.
That's gonna be a good one.
He's gonna be a tough one, that's for sure.
You turn it up just a little bit more.
Yeah, we may snuff a little more boost there. So, yeah.
On to the quarterfinals.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah, appreciate it.
That's right, baby. Down to 4, 50 grand to win at South Georgia.
Hell yeah. Holy shit.
1,000th at stripe.
Really?
Yep.
Woo-wee.
Oh, and also, I got my 500 from Donald. It says for the bounty on him.
Oh, yes. Nice.
We're eating steaks tonight. Thanks. Thank you. Once you get down to like 4 cars, even 8 at this race, if you get in the next round, man, you've done something.
Yeah.
I mean, you're going against the best in the world here.
Semifinals next. We'll see you up there. Oh man, 395, 194.